my friends, today I'm going to show you how the easy tricks to foster your PC, how to make or increase the speed of your computer, the easy way that will not require you many knowledge, the easy way. I'm going to show you some tricks to use while you are speeding up your computer, your speed of your computer. First we are going to deal with Windows 11. To check if your window is 11 or 10 or whatever window, on my PC I press window Elly, then type winver as you are seeing there. We are WINVER, then press enter. You see my installed OS or my operating system which is installed on my computer is Windows 11. I'm going to deal with Windows 11. Sorry, it is no longer released, but I have it on my computer. Don't ask me where I have brought it. So let's go. First thing you are going to do is to clean trash. While you are using a computer online, there are some trash that are being come to your computer due to the internet. What you do is you type on window Elly, then type TMP, then press enter. You will see a pop-up notification that show you to configure your window to use this system. Press enter, then the window will give access to your computer to use this system. Then if you want to clean each one or trash, you will press Ctrl A, then press delete button on your computer. The computer will ask you if you want to permanently delete all those files. Those are trash. Don't worry if you are thinking you are going to lose your data. Those are trash. Now they are meaningless on your computer. Press enter. Wait till the computer is finishing to clean. So there are some that will be not deleted. The way you will delete those that are not deleted yet, you will press again window Elly, then type %temp%. As you see, I'm going to do it. Shift Shift 5 TEMP Shift 5, then hit enter. They will come other trash. You are here. You will be asked to clean each and every trash. Ctrl A, then delete all. Press enter. Then each and every trash here will be deleted. You will wait the computer delete each and every trash here. Everyone will. Okay, and close the window. Then here you are required to clean your recycle bin. You will left click on recycle bin, then click on empty recycle bin. Hit enter. Then follow what I'm doing. Each and everything here will be gone. Your computer now is safe. What you are going to do now You will open your computer, then see what storage you have on the disk that holding the window. On the disk that holding the window, there must be a space where your downloads or something like picture while you're using camera will be stored. Here see there is a very big space. Yeah, on the disk that hold the window, you must have a not large, but you must have a space that will allow the window to display well. Yeah. Here, when you don't have a space, you have to delete one partition. I will show you in the next video. Yeah, in the next video, I will show you how to use or to speed up your computer using CMD. It is not a tree. It is fake. It do nothing. But I will show you a deep way. Those I show you. There are easy tricks to use. Easy that do not need another extra knowledge. Yeah, thank you. Please subscribe.